Hi, I'm Friends. This is Krita, and let's see today how to start animating in Krita. So let's create a new file. Dimensions are okay, and let it be with white background. Okay. So I can draw something and animate it, something like this. But I will prefer to open a PNG file I already did before. So I'm removing my nice picture and open this PNG file. Now let me copy it and going to my background and paste it. Everything is okay, but I think it's too big, so I'm going to transform tool, left click on it, and while holding shift I'm dragging this point in order to do my ball smaller. And now I'm clicking, I'm not holding the shift anymore, I'm clicking on this space inside the rectangle and removing my ball to the left side of my screen. Okay, now let's start animation. In order to do it, I have to merge the last two layers. So I'm holding shift, clicking on both of them, and Ctrl E. Okay, that will be the very first frame on our timeline. Let me add a blank frame. This is our first frame, and let's create another one. Another one I'll do not write next to the first one, but in few steps, in order animation to be more smoothly. So I'm clicking here, clicking on this rectangle at blank frame, and going back to my previous frame, do right click on it and in the list choosing copy keyframe. Okay, and go to my new one, doing right click of my mouse and clicking paste keyframe. Okay, this is our new keyframe, and I will move my ball a little bit down. In order to move it, I am pressing transform and I did left click of my mouse here next to the ball and moving the ball down. But how far did I move it? And how is it connected to the previous frame? In order to see it, I'm going here and clicking on this lamp. You see? Now we can see the previous ball was here and the new is here. Okay, let's go and create the next one. I can do the same. I can add blank frame and can right away paste keyframe, the first one. Or I can click create duplicate frame and see, everything is the same. I'm continuing like this to be even easier. Create duplicate frame and moving my ball a little bit down and down. And then I'll start to pick it up and something like to right. Let's do more rarely in order to do it faster. Something like this. Okay, everything is done, and let us see how it works. I'm clicking play. I think it's nice. Okay, that's it. Thank you and hope to see you soon. Bye.